Hello once again. Just got a small question for you. My wife dug this out of her closet. We've had this thing for like ever. It's a JVC Super VHS camcorder, and I've been trying to figure it out, and it works. It should. It's like brand new, ain't never been used, and but the autofocus doesn't work. And I tried to do the manual focus on here, and it doesn't work either. I can't get this thing to focus on anything. If anybody has any idea how to fix this, or even how to work it right, please comment below. Send me a message or something. Because I think I've tried just about everything the manual says to do to get this thing working. And yeah, it's a pain in the butt. Because we got a tripod and everything, and I figured I would try to start using that to make these videos. Because I think it'd be a whole lot better just using this little bitty camera up here on top of the computer, this laptop, and it'd probably have a lot better sound and imagery and everything. But anyway, I still haven't got anybody for my GoFundMe account. I'm gonna keep pushing that until, hell, I might have to have it go for a whole freaking year, and maybe next year my son will have a Christmas. I don't know. But I'm trying to get a friend of mine that we used to do Spreaker. It's a podcasting, I guess you'd call it, over the radio type thing, over the computer. It's a pretty awesome little site to go to. You listen to either music or people talking or BSing, entertainment, called Spreaker.com. It's numero uno in my book. But I used to do that, and my handle on there, or whatever you want to call it, was the Southern Cowboy. But I'm trying to get Grandpa Al. He's up there in Wisconsin, and I was a co-host on his show, and I'm trying to get him to come on here and do this with me, but he hasn't replied back to me yet, so I don't know. Later on, maybe we can do a show or two, maybe, I don't know. It would be awesome. Get all of his followers to come over here and give me some subs and likes, and maybe get my show off the ground, which would be awesome. And oh yeah, the hat of the day is this Decatur livestock auction, Decatur, Arkansas. Dad sells cows and stuff there, and anyway, had a brain fart. Have them all the time. Sleep deprived. Aha. Anyway, I'm about 90% sure that it might be something wrong with the camera. I don't know. I mean, it was brand new. Bought it brand new in the store. And it's never really worked. They want us to pay more money to get it fixed, and I think that's a bunch of BS. I think it's just something small that we're not doing, or I don't have any idea. But anyway, a little lowdown on why I'm disabled is because I have spinal stenosis. My spine is literally falling apart. I need a back brace to move around out of bed. That's why 90% of the time you see me in this here bed. Because if I stand up and walk around, my back starts hurting severely. According to the doctors, I have shrunk 3 inches in less than a year. But I'm still fat. Whereas, like Outlaw and them say, he's fat. All fat people need to unite. But I got 2 bad knees, bad shoulder. My spine is literally falling apart. And a whole list of other medical problems. I'm type 2 diabetic, high blood pressure. I mean, there's like 2 pages of stuff wrong with me, but oh, and my wife is disabled too. She's got multiple sclerosis, and a whole serious list of problems wrong with her too. And yeah, so now you have the lowdown. If it wasn't for my son, a lot of stuff wouldn't get done around here. He's like a workhorse when it comes to helping take care of me and his mother and trying to keep the house clean. And yeah, my son is a blessing. So if you guys could possibly help me out by getting him some Christmas, that would be so awesome. So I guess that would be the end of the rant for now, because I really can't think of anything else. It's getting really too cold outside to have yard sales. And really, we ain't got nothing worth anything to sell. Anyway, so Outlaw or any of you rednecks out there watching this, hello. Give a shout out to all the redneck soldiers and Outlaw. All you folks out there at the mud jugs. One of these days I will get one of those. Let's see. Oh, and I just became a member of the Dipper Nation, I think it was. Hell, I can't look at it on here. Oh, maybe I can. Hold on. Redneck Nation, Dipper Nation. Yeah, I got all of that on here now. Yay! But anyway, hopefully pretty soon I get some donations rolling in. I can start getting him what he wants, like that Xbox, that brand new Xbox. He really wants one of those. Anyway. Yeah. That's the end of the rant. Well, I guess I'll catch y'all next time. Hopefully I'll have more to talk about. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and get her done.